Hey, what's up, guys? Here's the trade recap for Friday, October 10th. I'll give you a little context here. This is the previous day we hit all-time highs, and then today we were just sort of trending down all morning. Still a green day. See, we opened up here, rode up, down. So we were making lower lows gradually. And then right as the market opens, 9:30 Eastern time, 8:30, that's when I start to trade. And so here's what I was seeing. I was seeing all-time highs was formed yesterday. And the high of the day was here. The low of the day was here. So we were in a fairly tight range in the morning. And I'm going to zoom in here so you can check out what I was seeing. And so right as the market opened, there was a fake out to the downside here. So this is the opening candle. Sold off to break through this range. Right here. So we made a higher low. And then so right here, this candle made a lower low. So that's a little fake out. And then we had a big, nice green thick boy candle here, breaking through the moving averages. And then this was looking like it was selling off the whole time. It was just like straight down. And it was only after the very, very end, like, a few seconds to the end of the candle, it shot right back up. So a huge order hit. And so that's the opening candle. So then we opened green and not stopping people out here. So now we're way up here. And then, the orders just hit and it shot through this resistance here. And so that's when I got interested in the trade. And I was looking for a pullback to enter on. I was looking to enter. I thought it was going to come back down here because I was looking for, this. I was looking for an entry maybe in this area. So I held out here. I thought it was going to go lower. So you can see it's rising. Actually, we could adjust this to look. Yeah, so you can see later on it did. But so we shot through this resistance, and then right about here, that's when we hit this resistance and it sold off. The perfect time to enter would have been right here, and I was considering it, but this is a long area, a long ways for it to go lower, so I was going to wait for it to go lower. But it didn't, and it held, and it continued up. These are my moving averages, the 9 and the 20. And so I actually entered on this candle here. If we zoom in a lot, you could see I entered on this one, and then I added on this one. And so what gave me confirmation here is it broke the high, and it confirmed with a bullish candle at the high right here. And so I entered, and my risk was down here. So this was a 1-to-1 trade. So it was something like this. Risking down here. It wasn't exactly perfect, but as you can see, I exited up here. So this is a 1-to-1, risking 1,500, gain 1,500 up here. Because I was assuming, it was a very tight range of the day. I wasn't looking for much here. I wasn't thinking it was going to go very far. And I was correct. Because then it just started to downtrend here. Another great area to get into the trade would have been right here, as that was where I was looking to originally get interested. And that would have been a better risk to reward trade here. It would have entered here. You could have gone to 3-to-1 risking off of these lows. Nice enveloping candle here. But yeah, so pretty happy with how I traded here. Very clear signs of strong momentum, and I just continued to trend up. So yeah, this account, as you can see, I'm almost at the limit here. I'm like 20 bucks away. So I guess I'm going to have to unlock it on Monday. But happy going into the weekend here with 2 accounts that are about to get unlocked. So see you on the next one.